Hey you guys, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I just want to show you one of the trades that I took using the new trading system that you get with the scanner. So once you purchase the scanner, you actually get this trading system as well at no additional cost to get you started in the right direction. So let me kind of show you how it went. As you can see right here, it met our rules, and you'll be able to learn the rules as soon as you sign up, get the scanner, and this will be in the instructions. But this is a very easy trade that met our rules very, very easily. And here's a scanner. As you can see, it also has a unique feature. You can scan as many pairs as your computer can handle on as many time frames as you wish. And it has this unique click to open feature. Watch this. So you can command it to open up whatever charts that you want. It doesn't have to be the new one that we're going to give you, although I like it to pop open on that, but you actually have the ability to go into your settings and to adjust and tell it exactly. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. I meant to click on Expert Advisors, go to Property, and then right here, so you can tell it how many pairs to scan, and also, push notification, all the basics, but you can tell it what time frames to scan. But here's what's unique. You can tell it what time frame you want it to open on once you do the click to open feature, which I'll do momentarily. And you can also tell it what charts to open. So if you have your own template, your own charts, your own trading style, you can actually tell it to do that. And the moment you click on the click to open feature, once you get a signal sent to your phone or wherever device, so once this shows a opportunity, you simply just click and see it opens up, and look at there. Here's the opportunity on this trade right here. Look at there, right there. So you just go through the rules of whatever trading style you wish, although we have one that's given to you so that you can see how it works. And look at this trade here. Look at this trade here. 1, 2, 3, and here's another one. So as long as it meets your trading rules, or if you want to use ours, because again, it comes free with it. You get this indicator and this trading strategy free with the scanner. So as long as it meets the trading rules, take the trade. It's really just that simple, and you'll be able to be hopefully trading a little bit better using this trading system and scanner. And then what's great about it is because sometimes you have a lot of charts open at the same time at the bottom, and it's slowing down your computer. You can actually just have the scanner running in the background doing the heavy work. And how you can get to that is simply by clicking on other products right here. And the moment you click on other products right here, you'll be able to sign up for the scanner. Now the scanner is not the same as this system. This is the main hub. This is our main system, which I strongly still suggest that you get this, because not only do you get this trading system, which is even more robust than the one that comes free with the scanner, but also you will be able to be live in class with me. Okay, but if you want to just start, because that's what this one is, this is like a starter kit to get you in the right direction. You'll be able to just click on other products right here to take you right to this page right here, and this is what the scanner looks like when it starts sending off signals. So it's your signals, and you got to click the open feature, and you just sign up right here. Okay, one last thing that I recommend to people is to sign up for our signal service. So once you get this product or the other or the main one, because they're two separate products, basically in there, make sure to look at step number I think it's step number 6 on this one, or step number 3 on this one. I don't know, but either way it goes, there's an opportunity for you to sign up for our signal service, and in there people are making a ton of money off our signals. Okay, and it's a separate service for that, but again, just as you're going through the tutorials, you'll see the opportunity to do that. So if you want to earn while you learn, make sure to sign up for the signal service, and the information will be explained once you buy one of these products. Okay, so this one is our main baby right here, called Simplicity. Okay, this is the main one right here, but either way it goes, whether you do that or do this one, just make sure to check it out and sign up for the signal service as well. Okay, all right, thanks.